Do you struggle with cooking rice? Does it always come out too sticky or not quite right? Don't worry, you're not alone. Rice is a staple in many diets but can be tricky to get right. But fear not, in this video, we're going to share some tips and tricks that will help you cook perfect rice every time. First, choose the right type of rice. There are many types of rice available, including long grain, short grain, and brown rice. Each type has its unique flavor and texture, so choose one that best suits your dish. Long grain rice is perfect for dishes like pilaf, while short grain rice is ideal for sushi. Brown rice is healthier but may require more water and a longer cooking time. Next, rinse the rice before cooking. Rinsing helps remove any excess starch that can make rice sticky. Place the rice in a fine mesh sieve and run cold water over it until the water runs clear. This step also removes any dirt and debris that may be present in the rice. Measure the rice and water correctly. The ratio of water to rice is crucial for getting perfect rice. A common ratio is 2 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. However, some types of rice may require a different ratio, so be sure to check the packaging instructions. Cook the rice on low heat. Once you've added the water and rice to the pot, bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and cover the pot. Cooking on low heat allows the rice to cook evenly without burning on the bottom. Let the rice rest after cooking. Once the rice is cooked, remove it from the heat and let it rest for a few minutes. This step allows the steam to redistribute, making the rice fluffier and more evenly cooked. These simple tips and tricks can help you cook perfect rice every time. Remember to choose the right type of rice, rinse it before cooking, measure the water and rice correctly, cook on low heat, and let it rest after cooking. We hope you found this video informative and educational. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel to receive 2 videos daily for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking!